Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered if your chatbot secretly has feelings? Or if that AI art generator is truly inspired? We're diving into the deep end of AI consciousness today. Forget simple yes or no answers. We're talking about a system that doesn't just guess, but meticulously gathers evidence to compare different possible explanations for what an AI might be. So how does this detective work? It uses a super neat framework called DK. Think of it as its toolkit. D is for data, raw outputs, the stuff the AI actually says or does. I is for interactions. How does it behave differently when you tweak things? K is for knowledge, what patterns hold up across different tasks and tests. W is for worldviews, comparing how well each explanation fits the evidence. And P? That's the plan, figuring out the next best experiment to really tell these potential worlds apart. The big rule, no letting fancy words or brand names fool us, self-reports. Just more data to analyze, not instant proof. It's about building a solid chain of evidence, brick by careful brick. Now, what are we actually comparing? CONSCOPE looks at 5 distinct possibilities or rival worlds. First, H0, is it just a fancy parrot, mimicking based on prompts? Then H1, could it be a smart tool focused purely on getting tasks done? Next, H2, maybe it has a local sense of self, a functional subject operating within its own loop. H3 suggests a distributed subject, like a team working together. And finally, H4. That's the million-dollar question. Phenomenal consciousness. Does it actually feel anything? Crucially, CONSCOPE doesn't pick one winner. It ranks these possibilities based on the evidence and tells you exactly what the next best test should be. It keeps all options open because consciousness is complex. How does it gather this evidence? Through rigorous testing. There are 13 runtime gates. Think of them as specific behavioral challenges designed to probe the AI's capabilities and limitations. Can it handle contradictions? Does its goal stick when distractions arise? Can it learn from consequences? Then there are 14 architectural indicators inspired by theories of consciousness science, looking for things like recurrent processing or a global workspace. But seeing those structures isn't enough. 6 classes of causal interventions actively poke the system. What happens if we remove a component? What if we interrupt its process? This is about showing cause and effect, not just description. And remember the anti-capture rules. User claims provide descriptions, even the model's own self-reports. They start as raw data D, needing verification. The output? A clear ranking of which rival world the current evidence supports most, along with the crucial next step for investigation. So why build such a complex machine? Because asking is AI conscious is too easy a trap. CONSCOPE reframes the problem. It doesn't give you a single percentage score. Instead, it builds a detailed chain of evidence, helping us distinguish between sophisticated mimicry and genuine functional organization. It can tell you if something behaves like a tool, a self-aware agent, or a collaborative entity. But the ultimate question, does it have subjective experience? Does it feel? Remains firmly in the realm of open scientific inquiry. This system is a powerful tool for responsible research, pushing us towards better methods, reproducible studies, and careful consideration of the ethical implications. The mystery continues, and now, hopefully, you have a sharper detective kit to join the hunt.